guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I want to show you guys how I keep my white sofa clean. I've always wanted a white sofa, but I was really afraid to get one because truth be told, I could be kind of clumsy sometimes. And now that I have toddler twins, man, my anxiety is through the roof, like on keeping things clean. But after doing a little research, I decided to try it out. And guys, it could be done. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. So I start by removing all my accent pillows, and I'll just show you guys what I'm working with. So it's not terrible, but it's also not the brightest. I've got like some little stains here that I want to address. I'm not sure what that one is. It's like salad dressing or something. And then on this little cushion right here, it's like a dingy sort of stain. I don't know if it picks up on camera, but so let's get it clean. So now I'm gonna shave my couch. There's some peeling that happens every once in a while where I get these little lint balls and it's not cute. So I use this fabric shaver to get rid of them. If you don't have a fabric shaver, I highly recommend you get one. It makes your fabrics look new again, and not just on your couch. I use it on my clothes too, or sweaters that get those little naughty little lint balls on them. And it's really good for just kind of, you know, freshening it up a little bit and making it look really clean. And it is rechargeable, and I love it because you don't have to replace the batteries. So I'll go ahead and link this one below. And look at that. You can just see all of the debris that comes off of it. Mind you, I cleaned this out before I started, so it makes a difference. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take off the main pillows. And while I'm taking off the main pillows, I place them in a specific order because it can kind of be hard to tell like which order the pillows go in, or if I have them the wrong way, or, you know, have them swapped or whatever. So I just kind of place them in an order where it's near its location. And now you can see like just how filthy it can really get under the couch cushions. We don't eat on our sofa, or at least that's the rule. So I'm not really sure where all of these crumbs came from. But, you know, let's just clean it out. That's why we're doing this. So the next thing I do is vacuum under the cushions and the cushions themselves. I'm using this vacuum cleaner. It's the Shark vacuum cleaner. It's one of their lift away models, and I absolutely love this vacuum. Guys, it makes it really easy to do the things that you need to do around your house. The base part lifts away so you can carry it just like I'm doing here. And it just kind of makes it really portable. And when it is attached to the base, it has a really good radius. It gets all the hard to reach places, and it comes with like so many attachments for different things, like the ones that I'm using right now. And this is the upholstery attachment, and it makes it really easy to just go back and forth on your couch at different angles, or whatever upholstery item you're vacuuming, and it just makes it really easy to get it vacuumed and clean. So when it comes to getting a white sofa and keeping it clean, the best thing to start with is to get a performance fabric. And the one that I have on this sofa is called Crypton Fabric. I saw it on social media and I thought, oh, okay, they're spilling wine on it and, you know, spilling grape juice on it and everything, and, you know, it's coming out. So why don't we just go ahead and give it a try? And guys, it really works. What it is a performance fabric with a stain protector and an odor protector in it. And it really, really works. My kids have put it to the test. One of my sons politely wiped his mouth on it after drinking grape juice. Just ran over there and wiped his mouth. Yeah, polite, I know. And then my other son decided that he wanted to try out his crowns on a, you know, blank white sofa, and he wanted to be Picasso for the day. And that stain came out with ease, with no problem at all. So before I use our upholstery extractor machine, I'll go ahead and spot clean these two stains that I showed you all earlier. Also, Crypton makes spot cleaners that get out the tough stains. For example, when my son had a stomach flu and spit up a bit on the couch, the stain cleaner worked excellent for getting this out. So I'll also link the cleaners below because we're gonna use them in this video to get the couch clean with our upholstery cleaner. And the upholstery extractor that I'm using is the BISSELL Pro extractor machine. This one is the pet edition, but they have a lot of different variations of this machine. I'll link a few models below that work really well and that are similar to this one. But as you can see, basically you just put your solution in the one side of the machine, and then you use the handle to spray out the solution on the upholstery, and then you go back and forth with the extractor that has a brush attached to it, and you just extract the solution that you put on the upholstery. Pretty straightforward. And you can really see all of, you know, that dirty water coming off the couch. And I just go in a backwards and forwards motion. And if I have a really tough area that I want to address, I'll go over it, you know, sometimes 2 and 3 times just to kind of really get it clean. And we also use these cleaners around the house on our laundry items and different upholstery items that are not performance fabric, and it helps with getting out the stains. Most of the time, all of the stains come completely out. So guys, take a look at all this dirty water that was extracted from the sofa. This makes me feel like it was well worth it. And this is my couch after I finished doing the extractions. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and leave it overnight because the couch is still pretty damp. You can see it looks kind of dark in some spots because it's still really damp. But those stains came out. Those two stains that I wanted to address, they came right out. Can't see any traces of them. So this is the next morning later. I let the couch dry overnight and the couch is thoroughly dry. So now I'm just putting all of the back cushions on the couch and fluffing them up just to make them look really nice and new before my kids totally come and demolish it. I originally wanted a cloud couch, but after doing some research, I decided that I didn't want it because of the fluffing that needs to happen with the all down sofa. So with this sofa, there's still some fluffing that obviously needs to happen, but it's pretty minimal with this sofa. And it's not like every time you sit down and get up, you know, you have to do fluffing. So I'll just go ahead and put my accent pillows back on the sofa. Do a few little karate chops. And I mentioned in one of my previous videos where I get all of my pillows from, my accent pillows from. Most of them came from HomeGoods, some of them came from Target, and one of them came from CB2. So the ones that I didn't get from HomeGoods, I'll try to see if I can link them down below. So guys, here is the finished product. I am so happy with the way everything came out. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you guys so much for watching.